Welcome to the tutorial, Creating Your First Syllabus Using Syllabus Assistant. When beginning Syllabus Assistant, you will want to put syllabus.spalding.edu in your browser window. Please note that using Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox is a preferred browser for Syllabus Assistant. Many of the features of Syllabus Assistant may not work with Internet Explorer. Once you put that file format in your web browser, you'll want to be able to sign in using your Spalding Outlook user ID and password. The next screen that's displayed will list all of the courses that you are assigned to in the available colleague course sections. Select the course that you are going to build your syllabus for. The next screen will present you with options for creating your syllabus with a pre-created template. Check with your program to determine if they have a syllabus already created in Syllabus Assistant that you can use the template. Select the particular syllabus that you are going to create your syllabus with. Then select Create. What appears next is a template for which you will build your final syllabus. Notice that the course code, instructor, email, credit, meeting information, drop period end date, withdrawal date, and the course description already pre-populate. This information actually aligns with the Ellucian, Datatel, and colleague information from the course catalog. You'll also notice on the left side there are tabs. You can actually tab through each of these to get to different sections in your syllabus. You can input information by selecting actually the area you want to input information and begin typing. Select the check mark box and it will save your selection. You may also want to go ahead and select the floppy icon in the upper left side. This will actually save your selection within Syllabus Assistant. Please note that Syllabus Assistant will time out if you don't save periodically. You can actually set up different and add new sections if you so choose. When you make your changes, be sure you select the check mark and then select the floppy disk to save your selections. You can also delete when you don't want to add a section or a particular section heading. You can also add additional tabs. Over in the left column, you'll see an Add Tab button. Select the pencil and it will allow you to input new sections. Again, select the check mark to save your addition. You can actually move your tab if you don't want this in a particular area. Note that the tab label is not published in your final syllabus. If you would like for it to display in your final syllabus, you should repeat the tab label in the heading section. For some users, it's recommended to create your syllabus language in Microsoft Word first. Once you're satisfied with the wording, you can go ahead and cut and paste into Syllabus Assistant text box. There are several columns and tabs which contain university and program policy statements that you'll not be able to change. Refer to your program chair to determine which of these tabs you can add to and revise. On the top of your menu next to the Syllabus Assistant icon, you will see different icons. The house will take you back to the home page. The floppy will save all the content you've created in your syllabus. The eyeball with the line through it will indicate that your syllabus is not published, but it's a working draft. When the eyeball is actually clicked on, this will indicate that your syllabus is now published. The chain links will display a new window which will give you 3 different syllabus views. The tab version will look exactly like what we had on the previous page, where viewers can tab through each section. The inline version will display like an HTML web page. And then there's a PDF, which will download on your computer, and most instructors can then upload that PDF version from their computer into their Moodle course. Notice how each of these versions has a 5-different number. That 5-digit number actually aligns with the Ellucian Datatel colleague number that is also in the course catalog. This is a number that identifies this particular syllabus with the particular term that the instructor is going to be teaching the class. You can also delete this version of the syllabus. You can change the template. And for those instructors who may be co-teaching, you can also manage editors and let editors view the Syllabus Assistant. This is particularly helpful if your co-teacher wants to input their own contact information, email, and preferences for communicating with students. This concludes our tutorial on creating your syllabus in Syllabus Assistant.